Hi student. Today we will be see class 6 unit 2nd Telangana, the pride of the people. In this lesson we will be discuss about the importance of Telangana. The union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of our country. It took years for the government to take this decision. Many people sacrificed their life for our state. We need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the separate Telangana state. Now we have our own state with our own culture, which we will be see. It will be give the birth of our own state, has made our own real vision. By getting a new state, we have to see our Telangana language is a part of our culture, as we have special festivals also. So there are the main festivals of Telangana, which are known as the regional festivals of Telangana. Telangana, it is 29th state of our country. June 2nd, Telangana Formation Day was founded, a day of pride, freedom and celebration for the people. In this, we are celebrating our festivals, also regional festivals. Telangana regional festivals are Bonalu, Batkama, Pirul Pandaga are the regional festival. Firstly, we will start with the Bonalu. Bonalu, we celebrate our festival with the warmth and happiness. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during the Asanam as thanksgiving to the goddess Mahakali for fulfilling our wish. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery and put in a ghatam. Ghatam means the decorative pot, and carry the pot in a prosperous singing songs. The feast accumulated as a ghatams are offered to the local goddess. These ghatams are offered to the local goddess as a part of Bonalu. And there will also be Potraj and all this you can see in the picture. Now we will go for our second festival, that is called Batkama. The regional festival is Batkama also. Batkama festival is celebrated as a part of Dashera. Batkama is a part of Dashera. The festival has historical and regional signification. It is both have historical and regional signification. Women carry Batkama with beautiful sacred flowers. It will be a chamanti full, tanderi full. There are different types of flowers. They will be make this Batkama. Make circle around the Batkama, and women folk sing songs related to our cultures like Batkama songs. Later the Batkama were taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Next we will see the Moharram. Moharram. What is Moharram? Moharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. It is the symbolic of religion toleration, where every religion people are participated. During this, Pirulu are kept in every village point. The Pirulu are immersed in the local tanks and lakes. In need, our festival and art form are the symbol of our culture. They reflect our lifestyle. Our festival and our art forms are reflecting our lifestyle. Now we will be see our famous saris. Our saris, Telangana saris are famous all worldwide. Like Pochampalli saris. Like Pochampalli saris are the famous in Telangana. Next is Gadwal saris, Narayanapet saris. These three saris are famous in whole worldwide because of their attractive patterns and our wearers of seashellums. This is called the matchbox saree. The saree will be fit in the small matchbox. And there are the wearers from the Srisilla. Srisilla wearers are there who will be prepare the matchbox sarees. There are the wooden toys which will be from the Nirmal district. They are the wooden toys which is from the Nirmal districts made. Now we will be see some of the festivals, some of the jatras of Telangana. Like Sammakka and Saralamma Jatra of Medaram, which is in Warangal. It is there. And we will be see many people are gathered in this jatra. Lakhs of people take part in is the jatra from our state. Now we will be see our state famous tree, Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a famous place in our state. We can see here Charminar, Birla Temple, Mecca Masjid, Tank Bund, High Tech City. These all are the part of the Hyderabad. Next we will be see Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar also famous in Hyderabad. Next, this is called Yadadri. Sorry, this is called Yadadri. There is a Vemulwada also temple was also there. This is the Alamapur temple. This is Sri Rangapuram temple. And there is a Bhadrajan temple also there. In our part of Telangana, many temples are there. And we can see one museum near the Nagarjuna Sagar. That is called Nagarjuna Sagar Museum. We will be see their antique collections of the pieces. Now we will see the famous museum of Telangana, which is called Salajam Museum. Salajam Museum is the one of the 3 national museums which have the antiques and portraits collected by a single person. Now we will see Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort. We all remember this place where Bhakta Ramdas was imprisoned. Not only our places, our festivals and culture are famous, but our great poets also famous who are rich, who are part of our rich culture. Like Bhimara Potanna, who written the Bhagavata. He was the person who written the Bhagavatam. He was the Bhimara Potanna. Next is Kancharala Gopanna, Bhakta Ramadas. He was known as a Bhakta Ramadas also. He was written many kirtanas on Lord Ram. Kaloji Narayana Rao. Dasharatha Rangacharelu, Dasharatha Krishnanna Namacharelu. These are the 2 persons who are the great poets of jewels of Telangana. These all are the jewels of Telangana who written many kirtanas, poems, everything in Telugu. Now we will be see the dance forms of Telangana, which is also our part of our culture. Like Oggu Katalu. Oggu Katalu is a folk fair singing, piercing and narrating of a story. It will be tell the story of Mallanna, Bemappanna, Yellamma. It will be tell the story of the different people and narrates. The story will be narrated in the dramatic form. It tells the character of the story and express it. So this story form will be used to give the message in the local people. It will be give the message of the society. It will also do the drama related to our gods. So this will be give a method of giving the stories to the people. Now we will be see one more dance form that is called the Piriniya Shivatandavam. This is called Piriniya Shivatandavam. This is famous at the time of Kakatiya dynasty. This dance form was performance in front of Lord Shiva. That's why this dance form is called the Shiva Tandavam, which will be performed by the men only. This dance form was revived by the Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. This dance form is revived by the Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. I told you Bhadrachalam temple also, Sri Rama temple famous in our Telangana state. So not only temples and everything, the temple, the antiques, the art form, the literature and our languages contribute to our culture and heritage. We need to preserve them also. I hope our government will also take necessary step in regarded of this. Please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.